Come open this PR package with me. It's from Emma Elizabeth. It's for her book, Mistress of Hours. Evienne is living her dream as the highest-ranking blood mage in Ichorna when the queens assign her to monitor two unexpected visitors from the elusive northern neighbor of shifters, Beitar. She can't help her curiosity when one of the visitors, a striking academic with piercing green eyes, seems determined to seduce her. What starts as a dalliance pulls Evienne into a web of century-old secrets that could turn her world and her understanding of her power upside down. Orion, a professor from Beitar, arrives in Ichorna to attend their turn of the millennium celebration with a singular goal in mind. He must find answers about his people's dwindling magic. He needs an Ichornian ally, though, and the alluring blood mage, Evienne, may be the key to his success. All his plans are upended when an ancient magic awakens in his soul. Despite their different allegiances, Evienne and Orion decide to work together to uncover the truth of Beitar's failing magic. As the horrible threads of the past unravel in the present, Evienne must choose between loyalty and her own integrity. The lives of a whole nation hang in the balance. I just want to say thank you for this gifted PR box. I really appreciate it. It's amazing. The character art is beautiful, and I cannot wait to read this book.